everyone, this is Veronica Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is a flat mail swap who I swapped with Maria on Instagram, and I will link her in the description below. Please go check her out. She has a beautiful Instagram, and so this was flat mail, and she contacted me on Instagram asking to swap, and unfortunately I wasn't able to do a large swap, so I told her I can do flat mail right now because I have been super busy with swapping and happy mails and videos, and so maybe a future date we'll do that, Maria. That would be awesome. And so we did flat mail, and this looks more than flat mail here. What did you do, Maria? Ooh, I see a little ball fell out. So this is Christmas in July that she wanted to do, and so I was okay with that because I love Christmas and I love pinks. So I see crinkles. Let's see what's in here, you guys. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Oh. She has a lot of these little tiny balls. Look at all that fun in there. I want to save these, so I'm going to put them back where they belong, where I could get to them again. So thank you, Maria, for that. And let's see what you have done here. And I see this beautiful little bag. Look at this. I love how she used yarn to do some stitching around these pages. Look how nice that looks with a little dangle. And look at this poinsettia. How beautiful is this? I love it. Let's see what's in here. Oh, she made me some bows, and look at these bows, you guys. Aren't they beautiful? Look at that. I love the poinsettia and the gold together. I love these colors. She did a traditional. This looks a little vintage also. And I love this bag. This bag is definitely going to be used again. And I will send that to somebody soon for Christmas. Let's see what else we have. So this is the flat mail right here. It looks like she sent extras. And here's the card. Let me read the card first. So there it is, the magic inside. And let's see. Okay, this must be it right here. It says, a magical thanks. Okay, so she's saying she just wanted to say thanks for, she said gracias in Spanish, thank you, for swapping with me. I hope you, she wants to know, she hopes that I like this, and I definitely do so far. I love it. And she says, it's her first flat mail, you guys, and her first Christmas in July swap as well. She sends lots of love, and she hopes we could do it again. Maria, we definitely could do this again, and maybe a bigger swap because I have been so booked up. I had to put my Instagram on swaps on hold because I am very busy right now. And so I don't want to let anyone down. So let's go ahead and open. Look at all this fun. Let's go ahead and open the flat mail. So this is the flat mail right here. Okay. So here is the flat mail right here. And let me move these out of the way so we could just admire this right here. Look at this. Isn't that fun? It's a unicorn Christmas. How fun and creative is that? Just look at this flat mail, you guys. So much fun. Look at this. Okay, so we have one pocket. We have this snowflake, and it looks like it's made out of a plastic with some glitter and a sticker for a unicorn, and the bottom has some gold trim, which is very pretty. This red paper right here has some gold foil on it. And then this, oh, look at this, a little stocking. This is so creative. Look at this. This little stocking can, you could put some pencils in it or whatever you'd like. And then I love this trim right here. This is very pretty. And then the top looks like also some trim of, looks like a rose gold, and it is beautiful with some stitching and this cherry drop gem right here. And this is felt, and so is the snowflake. How beautiful and fun is that? And then she included some rosettes, and look at these rosettes, you guys. I love the gold around the crepe paper, and then she has a little doily in the middle with some fuzzy trim and a sticker. I love this. Love, love, love. Thank you, Maria, for that. And then next, oh, we have some, looks like some cutouts. So let's take a look at this. Very fun cutouts. I'm not sure which paper she used. Look at that, unicorn Christmas. Never heard of a unicorn Christmas, but this is so fun, you guys. Look at this. I love that one, just for you. These will look so great on some cards for Christmas or something, you know, some layering I can do. Not we, always say we, I don't know why. I need to stop. Okay, so we have a bag topper. See, there I go again. So she sent a bag topper, and it's a reindeer with a scarf. And look how fun is that? And she also sent a die cut. Look at this reindeer. She put a little tiny bell. How fun is that? And I could add a sentiment. And you know what? I can even add this to a bag topper. That is super cute. And then she sent this little sign tag, and it's made out of chipboard, and it says Merry right there, and like it just hangs. This is so fun. Love it. She sent some unicorns, and these are Christmas themed. Love it. She shared with me what she made, what she used. And look at this bag topper. How pretty is that? Look at that. She has a sticker right here with a reindeer. And look at this reindeer, how she decorated it with a scarf made out of yarn. That is very creative. And I love these stickers. Love them. Okay, and so that is it for the flat mail. This was so fun. Thank you so much, Maria, for this. I love everything you sent. Now, let's go ahead and open the extras. Oh, look at this. She has To Me from her, and it's a felt Santa. I like how she did that. Did you do this on your own? And then this is wood. Love it. So let's get opening this. I'm gonna use my scissors. Definitely going to save that Santa for future use. And oh my goodness, what did you do? Let's see here. Did you make this? This is an ornament. And I believe she made this. Look at this little house with this deer. How beautiful is that deer? And this house, look at this little house. So creative, Maria. You are creative. Definitely putting that on my tree this year. And look at this. Amazing, you guys. Amazing. Look how pretty this is. It's so vintage. And I love how she used pink and golds and whites. And there's a little bit of red in there as well. Look at this. My goodness. This is so pretty. It's a shaker. I love this. Love this so much. Wow. Where did you get this hanger? This is so creative. I can't get over this. It is nice. Wow, that is nice. Thank you so much, Maria. I appreciate you and I appreciate our swap. I definitely got some inspiration from this swap. This is something different. So different. Look at this. It's just the scenery with some layering. I love this felt tree. I love the stickers. Everything just goes so well together. And this is a plastic pelt. Look. This is breathtaking. Thank you so much, Maria. Again, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this swap with me and Maria. I've already linked what I've sent her. I will link it in the description below, and that went out a while ago, and so that way you can see both swaps, and she definitely sent a little bit extra, and I appreciate that, Maria. But definitely our next swap, I could definitely send extra goodies. She was aware that I was unable to do a full swap with her, and so she was okay with that. And I appreciate you so much, Maria, and I hope you guys enjoy that as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. And